Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying legality and completing formal training. You must check permits, age limits, and local rules. Make sure to retain documentation. Once done, register for a certified safety course and learn from qualified instructors rather than guesswork. Simultaneously assemble required personal protective equipment and establish a controlled area with clear boundaries and non-participant exclusion. Do not proceed to operational practice until an instructor authorizes you and you understand liability and emergency procedures. Next, focus on handling, inspection, and responsible custody. Adhere to manufacturer maintenance intervals and replace parts only with authorized components to prevent hazards. While transporting, use locked, labeled containers and comply with carriage regulations. Keep device and payloads separated when rules demand. Practice risk assessments before any session and employ a buddy system so someone can monitor and intervene. Seek instructor feedback during each session and document all inspections and incidents. To finish responsibly, secure and inventory all items, log the session, and note any irregularities. If anything goes wrong, stop immediately. Evacuate non-essential people, isolate the area, and follow the trained render-safe procedures only if certified. Otherwise, wait for trained responders. Then notify local authorities and your instructor and report the issue to the manufacturer so they can advise on repair or recall. If legal questions arise, consult a licensed attorney. This protects you and others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.